Haven't started this up in a while. Had the battery on the charger for a bit because it finally was pretty low. And hit the key and started right up. Look at that mileage on this guy. 217,000. Still runs perfect. Foxy We Trust. I miss this car. Oh, the cold engine light's off. Let's turn off the air conditioner, rev it up a few times real quick. Roll down the window. Yeah, I miss this thing. It's turned into a freaking storage unit right now. But I think we gotta get it back on the road. It's been too long. So I took the car apart. Here's the aux jack, and here's the USB port I added. That's actually the original one from my Outlander Sport. So you can put music on here. I still need to get a microphone for the Bluetooth, but this is from a later Yaris. So yeah, I like the button. Navigation not installed. But yeah, this radio's sweet. So get there eventually. These are cool cars though, because there's an upper glove box over here, a lower glove box, and then it's got one over here too. It's pretty sweet. Here's a Yaris key for a later one. Cup holder. Oh yeah, this is from some British car. It doesn't do anything, but I cut out where the mirror switch would be and stuck this in there because I thought it was funny. I wanted to eventually wire it up so when you hit the red line, because you can see this broke off immediately. This is brand new. But I wanted to light up like right before you hit the red line. I thought that would have been kind of cool. You can see the car's definitely gutted though. The carpet's gone, the console's gone, and I don't know if you can see it very well, but a lot of the plastics in the back, all the stuff on the floor, the rear seat, everything out there is gone. I kept the headliner and like this, the door panel, anything that you would touch when you're in here, whatever, the sun visors, you know, so in case there's sun in your eye, you can flip it down still. I left some of it. I left the radio, obviously the air conditioner, the shitty aftermarket cruise control, which actually works on this car. I left all that stuff, but all the other non-essential stuff in here is gone. I'll show you under the hood real quick. So there's a couple of mods under here. It's got this, I don't even know what brand it is. Vita air intake, ultra racing strut bar. It has a short throw kit and metal shifter bushings from, I forgot the name of the company that did them. They don't do them anymore. Project Image, I think, or something like that. They used to make a ton of parts of the Yaris and then quit. It's got just a flat gray, black front bumper. So I replaced it because this car was wrecked. So we rebuilt the whole front core support on it, and I replaced the hood hinges. You can see they're silver because they were bent. The hood was okay, oddly enough. I added the alloy wheels, the factory ones, to it. It's got a real nice beat rush pitch stop mount. It's got, go around to it here, the Tanabe Medallion Touring exhaust, the axle back. I had the rest of the exhaust pipe replaced with a little bit bigger because it was damaged. It's got a TRD rear sway bar on it. This car is, it's not a rocket or anything, but it is so much fun to drive. I feel really sad that it's basically just gotten buried and pushed to the side. You can see the plate expired over a year ago, so it hasn't seen much action in a while. So I had to replace the taillights. They were cracked. This car had a hard life. It was out in Chicago before I got it, and it had a new clutch put in it, but the guy who had it was moving away to a whole different country. I think Norway or Sweden, he said. I don't remember. So I bought the car for $800, and I mean, it was a hell of a deal because, you know, these were still worth, you know, $2 or $3 grand, even in the condition it was in, or if not more. And it ran perfect. Everything on it worked. Just cosmetic stuff. You can see the paint is peeling on the roof. I want to repaint the car at some point. But I mean, it's been trusty and reliable. It starts basically every time I want it to. I mean, we take it out, tear the hell out of it, and then put it away. It's never really had any issues. It's a damn good car. I can't say enough good things about these Yarises. They're fantastic. But like I said, unfortunately right now it is a absolute disaster of a mess. I'll show you. Holds a lot of stuff though, I can tell you that much. But I got to go through all this stuff and sell off things I don't need and all that. I still have all the interior if I ever wanted to convert it back to a regular car again, but meh. My daughter and I are supposed to autocross it. We're hoping to take it out again next year. So I just figured I'd show you guys. You've probably seen this thing in the background, maybe wondered what it was or not. But yeah, it's a hell of a little car. So much fun to drive. So we'll get to it soon. Got to finish this first, then the 24K and a few other things, but we'll get back to this little guy. Thanks for watching.